Burn out, Torres, burn out, burn out. Huh? Nothing, bro.
What in the world? Hold on.
What happened, bro?
What is this?
It's the renters.
I know that girl cannot even pay half of this week. I know it's yours. It's nice.
Nice? Like a week ago.
Más falta yo.
No más falta yo. You know what?
How much did you get for 10?
Pretty friendly.
That's something to know. You know, I got you for the stereos and everything.
See. Nice?
It's way, this is way better than
Bro?
Can't say better than that, cause ¿ya los cambiaste?
What?
Or they're like that?
No, I still have them inside. I still haven't changed them.
They're clear, the other ones, or they're black?
Clear. It's the same color as those. Same color as those, but they're like glossy.
Can I see the inside?
Yeah, go for it, bro.
Oh, bro.
Ya eres el dueño. Mi troca es tu troca.
No, for how much you got? 20? 10?
Like 30. You have a shirt, turn it off, bro? You want to hear it?
You have a shirt, turn it off, bro? You want
Hear it? Want to hear it?
Nah.
It's newer. Look at the gauge for racing.
Way louder than that one. What's the horsepower on it?
Huh?
What's the horsepower?
I don't know, to be honest. But it has a couple parts, though.
Hear it? Same motor or no?
Built motor.
Built?
To handle. That's a built motor to handle 750 horsepower.
I love virga! Watch, I'm gonna get a lightning too. But not now.
Turn it off, right?
I'm gonna work my ass off to get a lightning.
Yeah, but it came with 2 sets of rims.
Huh?
It came with 2 sets of rims. This
Some of the
said,
black ones. Yeah, la llanta no sirve. I was gonna put on mine. They were good. Pues la llanta no sirve.
Can I see the picture? Or can I see them? Or where they at?
No, they're
right there.
One's
Right there.
I shouldn't look back.
No, they're the original rims for the lightning.
They're basically like those. They're like those, but black. But black, but with some fat tires.
See? Nice. They're the same one as mine, bro.
Yeah, they're
That's
black.
the one.
They're like Juan's, no?
Yeah, ones. That's correct. Just like one.
What size is the ones you have inside? They're 20s?
20s.
These are 18s.
What the heck you have in your truck? 19? 18 or 19?
18.
18.
But with small tires.
Oh, yeah, I remember because we were checking
Yeah,
the
these are
price
small tires. Once I put the 20s in.
Didn't need, I don't know if you need to clean those tail lights or just want to see.
They're like that.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was thinking about taking out the stripe, but I'll leave it.
I like, yeah, leave it.
Yeah.
It makes it different than any other lightning.
Makes it unique, right? Unique.
What about the Bryan?
That's me, man.
That one.
Jeez.
The red one, eh?
The red one.
Don't get
Or
another
black one, black one?
Black one go hard.
Black?
Yeah, black.
You know how I would do? I would do probably black. No more gray because you got gray. I was thinking about that, but I'm like, no.
It don't matter. It don't
You
matter.
get the beige one.
The dark gray one.
Oh,
the
The dark gray one.
Oh my god, I like these. This says SVT. Good.
Yeah. He has the grill I got. Remember the grill I
The
got?
original grill.
The original?
Yeah. So that was different? Yeah, mine's different.
You want different?
I bought the same one. I just got put it on.
I think the other ones are better.
Which ones?
The
The 20s?
Huh? No, those 15. Those the original ones. That's what
Also, I want to put mine on his.
Yeah.
And these ones on mine. Black and blue.
Because the black and blue goes harder because it matches the headlights, right? Then the silver rims will look better with the silver. Huh?
These are 20s.
Are they drag races?
Yeah.
That's on like
Battle tires there.
They used to have. Shit, nice.
I can't fix it till I bring it back up a little bit.
It's good to do burnouts, right?
Pop the hood, man. Pop the hood. I'm trying to see what you got under. Where's the knob, man? I want to see the knob, man. See the knob. Which lane you want to do oil change on? This one or the other one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
haven't changed it since a year.
Yeah, I think so. You better against the liga porque it would have been messed up.
Yeah.
But we brought it home like that, right?
Yeah, like it was brought
Since de dónde ya got it from?
Well, here, but like 9 hours drive. To get there and to come back. Like 2 days.
Corazón ya disappeared.
Like at home? At home?
Like OnlyFans?
Hello guys, this is my brother's truck. So sometimes when I was doing sneaker meetups, I used to bring her out. Check her out, guys. This one's a 2000 though. This one's a 2000 F-150 supercharged as well. My brother bought a couple parts for it to make it faster. Check it out. It's on 18s right now. So 18s right now. Huh?
You know, you gotta get the board ready.
Yo, give yourself a shout out.
Hey, follow me on Instagram, Loco Chatito.
He does oil changes.
You ain't know, man.
Oil changes, audio,
Anything.
drop.
No, mames.
How can they contact you?
561-574-8874. West Palm Beach. Y'all got me.
Sí. Ya escucharon toda la gente de West Palm Beach.
Alright guys, so this is my friend's truck right here. Check it out guys. 5.0
Burn out. Marco las llantas.
5.0 swapped Coyote engine, Ford Ranger. Check it out.
Fast
Check it
Ranger
out.
in West Palm Beach.
Okay then.
All the Chevy killers, all the Chevy people. Ahí está disponible, alright?
Check it out guys, check it out. It's pretty lowered. Shout out Familia Street Trucks. Yeah, if you still hasn't heard it, it's a supercharger?
Yeah, dude.
Nah,
Turn it on.
nah.
No, that's the cam.
That's the can. Like,
That goes like,
Oh, like when you drive it.
yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That thing's louder.
It screams like.
That thing, he ported it. He spent like 2,000 to make the supercharger louder. Hey, I brought it over here. Esta cosa corre. Fast.
Is that what is this? Let me see it.
Yeah, it's
It's a
Just like me.
camera. I can buy one this car.
Yeah?
You?
Carlitos.
Yes.
Yeah, do you like the truck or not?
Two one.
This one. Nice?
Yeah.
Nice?
The two. They are nice.
Are you gonna buy yourself one as soon as you grow up?
What?
Yeah, are you gonna buy yourself one?
Yeah, I
Yeah?
grew up.
Say high five. High five, Carlitos. He's gonna have a fast truck.